All right, so let's try and do some simple exponent questions. So the first one, I'm going to go 10 to the exponent 0. Now any number to the exponent 0 is just equal to 1. Okay? So if you see any number that is the exponent 0, the answer is always 1. Let's try another one. We have negative 3 cubed. So that is going to be the same thing as negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, which is equal to negative 27. Now if you were to put this in your calculator, you would need to use brackets. You would need to use negative 3 inside of brackets and then cubed if you were to put it in your calculator. This is to let your calculator know that you are cubing the negative as well as the 3. Otherwise, it will just say negative 3 times 3 times 3, which is fine for this application, but say you had a squared, your calculator would tell you it was negative 9, whereas it should be 9. I'll show you an example. So example 3, we're going to do negative 4 squared. So that's just negative 4 times negative 4, which is equal to 16. But if you were to put this into your calculator without using brackets, it would do this. It would say negative 4 squared is equal to negative 4 times 4, which is equal to, and your calculator would say that that is negative 16, which is not true. Okay, not true. So you need to make sure that in your calculator you use brackets. So you'd go like this. You'd say bracket negative 4 bracket squared. All right, let's do another question. Question number 4 is going to be 4 to the exponent negative 2. As soon as you see a negative exponent, all that means is that you have 1 over 4 squared. So you just put 1 over, and then you can, underneath the 1, put 4, and then you can take away the negative. So then that's just equal to 1 over 4 times 4, which is equal to 1 over 16. So there are some tricks. So if you have an exponent that is a 0, so any number at the bottom with a 0 exponent is going to be equal to 1. If you have negative 3 cubed, it's going to be negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, which is equal to negative 27. But when you put that in your calculator, you need to use brackets around the negative 3. Okay? If you have a number with a negative exponent, you just put 1 over that whole thing, and then you change the exponent to a positive number. And then all you do is underneath, in the denominator of the fraction, you just work out what the exponent is. So it would be 1 over 16 for our final answer. And those are a few simple exponent questions.